Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best D&D Minis is probably one of the most exciting and essential components for any tabletop role-playing game enthusiast, transforming your imaginary battles into tangible realities and adding an unparalleled level of immersion to your Dungeons & Dragons campaigns. These miniature figures, ranging from fearsome dragons and cunning goblins to valiant heroes and enigmatic wizards, serve as visual aids that bring the fantastical world to life, allowing players to strategize their moves, track character positions, and truly feel the weight of their adventures as they unfold across the gaming table. Number 5. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Tired of scrubbing? This powerful tool oscillates 60 times per second, blasting away grime and restoring surfaces with ease. It makes cleaning faster and more effective than ever before. Why work harder when you can work smarter? It scrubs up to 2 times faster than manual methods, saving you valuable time and energy. Get back to what matters most. Don't shy away from wet messes. Its robust water resistance ensures reliable performance, no matter the cleaning situation. Use it confidently in any environment. From faucets and tile to kitchen appliances, this is your go-to for a spotless home. It tackles tight spaces and tough messes, making every corner shine. Extend its cleaning power beyond the house. Use it for outdoor projects like grills and car tires, or even to keep your golf gear pristine. It's versatile for all your cleaning needs. Give your footwear a new lease on life. It polishes and deep cleans sneakers, shoes, and boots, helping them last longer and look as good as new. What we like. This scrubber offers intense cleaning power, oscillating 60 times per second to tackle grime. It scrubs up to twice as fast as manual methods, saving you significant time and effort. If you're looking for a way to make tough cleaning jobs easier and faster, especially in wet environments, this is a great choice. What people say. The oscillating head has strong cleaning power for its size, and a variety of attachments makes it easy to tackle everything from grout lines to tight corners to larger surfaces. It is small but mighty. The brush head is not soft, it's kind of dense hard, so it gives you some pressure for sure. The scrubbers in the set were remarkable. The different sized bristle tops made it easy for cleaning around tight spots. Number 4. Fosi Audio TB10D Stereo Amplifier. Experience the robust power of this 2-channel stereo amplifier. Driven by the TPA3255 chip, it delivers a massive 600 watts, effortlessly powering speakers from 2 to 8 ohms for crystal clear, dynamic sound. This compact amplifier integrates perfectly into your existing audio setup. Whether enhancing your turntable's sound or adding deep bass for gaming, it provides a rich and immersive audio experience. Take control of your sound with dedicated bass and treble knobs. Easily adjust the audio to your exact preferences, and enjoy the convenience of a simple power switch for operation. Featuring universal connectivity with RCA inputs and passive speaker outputs, it connects effortlessly to most audio systems. Perfect for living rooms, home theaters, studios, and more. Despite its small size, this amplifier packs a punch and is compatible with a wide array of devices. Built-in protection circuits ensure stable operation and a long lifespan for your peace of mind. What we like. This amplifier delivers a robust 600 W of power, capable of driving passive speakers with ease. Its sound tailoring features allow you to customize the audio to your liking. If you're building a home audio system and want a compact yet powerful amplifier that offers flexibility and sound control, this is an excellent option. What people say. The TB10D stereo amplifier, when paired with a small music streaming device such as one of the WM music streamers, becomes half of a shoebox-sized streaming audio system. You would just need to add a pair of passive, non-amplified, speakers. The TB10D's available output power, approximately 50 watts per channel when used with 8 ohm speakers, with the included 32V5A power brick, is adequate for use in my kitchen audio system. I found the sound of the TB10D when powering 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 8 ohm speakers to be consistently smooth, full sounding and non-fatiguing with a variety of music even after prolonged listening. Number 3. Wildspire Fantasy Monsters and Bookish Dragon Miniatures. Dive into epic adventures with our vast collection of unpainted fantasy miniatures. Perfect for Dungeons & Dragons and Pathfinder, these figures bring your tabletop games to life. This set includes 68 paintable miniatures, featuring a variety of monsters and even a dragon. With 64 small figures and 3 large, unique creatures, you'll have plenty of foes and allies to populate your world. Save time on world building with our included digital monster guide and campaign setting. It's packed with quests, lore, and maps to kickstart your next D&D adventure. These miniatures are designed for hobbyists and gamers alike, offering a fantastic canvas for your painting skills. They are perfectly scaled for tabletop RPGs, making them ideal for any campaign. Looking for a great gift for the D&D enthusiast in your life? This starter set is sure to impress. We stand by our quality and are happy to replace any defective miniatures. These versatile figures can be used as monsters, player characters, or NPCs. Let your creativity guide you as you integrate them into your unique D&D stories. What we like. This set provides a massive collection of 68 unpainted miniatures, perfect for populating your D&D worlds. It also includes a digital PDF with quests and a campaign setting to kickstart your adventures. If you're a dungeon master looking for a huge variety of monsters and ready-to-play content to enhance your D&D campaigns, this bulk set is ideal. What people say. Still, they are of great quality visually and in detail for their size, and big enough to still paint and enjoy. The big monsters and dragons are of great quality overall on design and detail, and overall it's just full of units you'll love to paint and mess around with and feel fun or cool to play with. These are fantastic minis for the price, and an absolute blast to paint. They look good on the tabletop, and are very detailed, much more so than you would expect. Number 2. Path Gaming 40 Fantasy Tabletop Miniatures. Bring your tabletop adventures to life with these highly detailed miniatures. They are ready to be customized and painted, perfect for any role-playing game. Explore a variety of 10 unique designs, all true to the 28mm scale. They are great for use with standard 1-inch grid battle mats. Get a fantastic starter set with 40 different figurines in 2 colors. Use them as D&D figures, NPC miniatures, or your own player characters. Whether for Dungeons & Dragons or other imaginative games, these sets are sure to spark your creativity and enhance your campaigns. We guarantee the quality of our miniatures. If you encounter any defective pieces, we will gladly replace them for you. What we like. You get 40 miniatures across 10 unique designs, all in a true 28mm scale. They come in 2 different colors, ready for your customization. If you're starting a new D&D campaign or need a solid set of varied player characters and NPCs, this bulk pack offers great value and detail. What people say. These are just great. I have bought low-price minis plenty of times and been disappointed, but these little guys are really well made. I especially like the mushroom zombies and mounted kobolds. The figurines were well made with good detailing and accuracy. Definitely can be painted over to design your own characters. Quality of details 4 stars, quality of plastic 4.5 stars, stability 4.5 stats, quantity for the price 5 stars. I gave them 5 stars as for the price they are incredibly nice and, in good quantity for the price. Number 1. Pyle 2X100W Bluetooth HiFi Mini Audio Amplifier PDA 20BT. Take control of your sound with this high-powered, mini-component stereo amplifier. Enjoy wireless streaming ability with our Mini Blue Series home amplifiers. This multi-channel amplifier design unlocks home theater stereo system ability right on your computer desktop. Gain access to digital sound control with its compact receiver power. Simple and hassle-free Bluetooth amplifier pairing allows you to connect and play your music to your connected speakers and radio systems. This 2-channel amplifier is perfect for your karaoke and home theater acoustic sound system. It gives you 200W power, accommodating 2 sets of speakers for high-quality amplified audio. Connect to external devices like radios, speakers, and microphones. Or use the headphone jack for private listening from your home PC desk. Features rear panel quick connect push-type speaker terminals for easy setup and connection to your sound system. What we like. This amplifier offers 200W of total power and convenient Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming. It also includes a headphone jack for private listening. If you need a compact, versatile amplifier for your desktop or small home theater system that can easily connect to various devices and stream music wirelessly, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The RCA and speaker connections are solid. I did use the banana connection. Super quiet, no sound hiss when nothing is playing. All the caps are a nice size. The power supply is a nice sized 4.5 amps at 24V DC, which is better than most. It provides clean, noise-free audio with great volume. I have 4 speakers hooked up to it, and it sounds amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.